Hi, friends, you can see here that I have successfully received payments from the faucetgamers.com. Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how to make money from the faucetgamers.com. First, please click the link in the description to join. Then, click the sign up here button. Then, please fill in the information column here correctly. Finally, check the list and click register. Then, please check your email and click activate your account. If it has been activated, please log into your account. To generate game tokens, so you can withdraw them later, do the tasks that are here. In this offer walls page, you can do many tasks to generate game tokens. On the games page, I usually play arcade games to generate game tokens. To be able to play here you need loyalty points, and every day we are given 3 loyalty points for free. Or you can also generate game tokens in the Faucet section, and to be able to play here we also need loyalty points. To be able to make a withdrawal, you need a minimum balance of 20,000 game tokens, and for the first withdrawal we are required to have 10,000 game tokens on the earnings offer wall. Then, you can make withdrawals to the destination wallet you want, and make sure the destination wallet is according to your wishes. Thanks for watching. However, if you feel that this money-making site is not worth it, please watch other videos on how to make money that have been uploaded on this channel.